Welcome to Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful dog house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of this dog house. The total area I have taken is width is 7 feet, in meter 2.13 meter, and the length is 4 feet, in meter 1.21 meter. You can see here the door and two large size window, and we have a mat and a feeding bowl for dog. This is the floor plan of this dog house, and after that we will go on the front view. So we have some dimensions here. You can see here the roof thickness is 6 inches, in meter 0.15 meter, and the height of this house is 4 feet 10 inches, in meter 1.47 meter, and we have support height is 4 inches, in meter 0.10 meter. You can see here the door, and the dimension is 2 feet into 3 feet 10 inches, in meter 0.60 into 1.16 meter. Also you can see here the window. The dimension of the window is 4 feet into 2 feet, in meter 1.21 into 0.60 meter. So this is the front view dimension, and we have a side view dimension. So we have a window, and the size of the window is 3 feet 8 inches into 2 feet, in meter 1.42 into 0.60 meter. So this is the detailed floor plan of the dog house. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.